Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about labeled Lysate sensitivity test. It is a common test performed between CSE and Lysate. In this video, we are going to discuss about the how to prepare the standard curve, what is 4 lambda and what is lambda. If you are first time here, please subscribe our channel and welcome to PHARING, a channel of pharmaceuticals. I am your Shaktivel. Lysate is an biological enzyme which is used to detect the endotoxin from the sample. Biomedical companies manufactured this lysate with different sensitivities like 0.125, 0.03125 and 0.015 etc. Lysate sensitivity is the concentration of endotoxin that the lysate can able to detect from the sample. For example, if I have a lysate with sensitivity of 0.03125, it means that lysate can able to detect the endotoxin up to 0.03 EU per ml. Below the level of 0.03 EU per ml of endotoxin in this product that cannot be detected from the separate lysate. Labeled lysate sensitivity test is a verification step used to confirm that the lysate reagent perform at the exact sensitivity stated on its COA. The value of lysate sensitivity is called lambda. Another one important factor, controlled standard endotoxin. CSE. Controlled standard endotoxin is a purified endotoxin of known concentration which is derived from the bacteria. For example, Escherichia coli O113H10. It is a strain number. Whenever a new lot of CSE or lysate received from the vendor, we need to perform the suitable sensitivity test. After the completion of verification study, then only we can able to use that particular lot for routine analysis. The labeled lysate sensitivity test is performed by first preparing the standard curve with the controlled standard endotoxin. Standard curve is a tool. It is act as a known concentration of endotoxin that to help to find the unknown value of endotoxin unit. So reconstitute the CSE and lysate with endotoxin free water. Now please consider a controlled standard endotoxin 10,000 EU per ml and lysate sensitivity 0.03125 EU per ml. Now we have a 10,000 EU per ml of CSE. We need to reduce this concentration down to equal to our lysate sensitivity of 0.03125. For that purpose, we perform serial dilution of CSE to obtain the range concentration of 0.03125 EU per ml. With the help of micropipette, take 0.1 ml of controlled standard endotoxin and mix with the endotoxin free water. Now we get 100 EU per ml. Again, take 0.1 ml from previous tube and mix it with 0.9 ml of endotoxin free water. Now we get 10 EU per ml. Like this image, we need to dilute our sample up to 0.03125 and the below values. We already discussed the value of lysate sensitivity is called lambda. Here, which dilution we are getting the 0.03125, that is called lambda. The upper value is called 2 lambda and the below value of 2 values lambda by 2 and lambda by 4. This standard curve is a primary step. This is not only for sensitivity test, it is applicable for all drug product analysis, medical device analysis and endotoxin recovery for everything. But the standard curve is varied based on the lysate sensitivity and CSE. The concentration of 2 lambda, lambda by 2 and lambda by 4 are to be tested with lysate via quadruplicate method. Quadruplicate means we should use 4 tubes for verification purpose. So take standard tube of 2 lambda and transfer the 0.1 ml to 4 tubes and take lambda tube, transfer the 0.1 ml for 4 tubes. The same followed by remaining 2 tubes also. Now the entire tubes we need to add 0.1 ml of lysate. So totally we have 16 tubes. For negative control, we should add 0.1 ml of endotoxin free water and 0.1 ml of lysate. Then incubate these all tubes at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After completion of incubation, observe the result. While inverting the each and every tube around 180 degree, the negative control should not show any gel clot formation. If the gel was observed in 2 lambda and lambda, record the result as positive. The labeled lysate sensitivity test is considered as a complies when the lowest concentration of standard solution like lambda by 2 and lambda by 4 shows a negative result. I mean no gel clot formation in all replicates. So the final result 2 lambda and lambda form a gel clot and lambda by 2, lambda by 4 and negative control should not form a gel clot formation. then only the test will be complies. Here the lambda, the border of gel clot formation 0.03125 is a endpoint concentration of lysate. So after finding the result, the geometric mean was calculated with the following formula. Mean is equal to antilog of sigma E slash F. Sigma E is the sum of log endpoint concentration of dilution. F is the number of replicates used in the test, that 4 tubes. The final value confirmed that the end-point concentration is not less than 0.5 lambda and not more than 2 lambda. This is an overview of entire labeled lysate sensitivity test. I hope you all are understood about that. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for future videos. Bye.